Wano?
No,
No?
I'm sorry, Vanya.
Hey guys, welcome back to my podcast. My name is Iman. I'm a Gen Z.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faiza. I'm millennial and Ramadan Kareem.
So,
So-
I feel like this topic is gonna upset so many people.
I mean, you always say that, but
This
no,
topic.
but this topic will upset either. It will topic the upset boys and men.
Yeah, they see boys.
They see boys and men,
So,
and maybe their mothers.
maybe, just maybe. Aunties, if you think your son comes in this
Category this topic.
this topic, then
Yeah, we apologize.
we apologize. So this topic,
It's not a controversial topic, but
it
this is
can
the-
be controversial.
I mean,
Depends on how we talk about it.
Yeah, but this topic is like in my mind for a very long time. I
Yeah.
wanted to talk about this
Yeah.
for a very long time.
And
Anyway,
we're
so
doing
the
it
topic
season two,
is
so the topic is
are all
Desi boys.
boys mama's boy.
So, Mama,
Okay, so what is mama's boy first? Like we have to explain what is
Yes.
I mean, of course, the
she doesn't always explain things. So like,
no,
things.
but that mama's boys pretty much give it away. But
Yeah.
it's like the sons is like totally depending on their mothers.
हर
and-
चीज में मतलब मैं बाथरूम चला जाऊँ मैं मम्मा से पूछ के जाता
yeah,
हूँ.
like every single decision they make, asking their mother's
Yeah.
permission
Yeah.
or with their mother's opinion. And unfortunately, in our culture, maybe 80% of men are mama's boys.
Yeah.
It's very
Majority.
unfortunate.
Majority.
But like because we
your own son is a mama's boy.
but he's not that much.
No,
mama's
he's not
boy.
that much, but he
Yeah.
comes under that category. You know,
He will come like in like the
level
the
one.
lower
one.
lower one. Yeah.
I know a few people I can name on level 10. So,
Yeah.
so
me too. I say that some people I know goes beyond that actually.
Yeah.
But anyway, so
as I said, the topic doesn't have to be controversial. It's just how we talk about it.
yeah, any topic can be controversial if you want to be controversial.
If you want to, if you feel like थोड़ा सा मिर्च मसाला डालने के लिए.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, that's the mama's boy. That was our first thing to explain the topic. So this is the topic that the mama's boy. Okay. So is it healthy?
Of course not. Of
I
course
mean,
not.
no. Okay, let me say as a mother's perspective. Okay? Okay, she just gave me a really bad side eye. I'm going to ignore that. But see, it is healthy to a certain age. Okay.
No, it's not healthy at all.
No, for example, 7, 8, maybe 9 if you like stretch it. Till that age, yeah,
Till
because
he's a tween. Till he's a tween, then after like when he turns a tween, he needs to like
yeah, pre-adult, pre-teen.
preteen.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Pre-tween.
Gen Z, of course. For us, it's preteen. Anyway, so preteen, it's like from toddler to preteen is okay.
Yeah,
Okay, but the moment the kids, like especially boys, comes into the teenage,
yeah. That's
they have to make their own decision. I mean, the major decision, of course, has to be like discussed among the mother
you
and
have to
the
discuss
father.
it. You have to discuss it. You don't have to like tell.
No, the mother and the father. I'm not talking about the mothers, but yeah,
They
they're like,
they cannot control. You can as like I'm talking to this as the mothers of the mama's boy. You cannot control your son. You should not control your son for the rest of his life. Like you're preparing him for the outside world. You're not protecting him from it. You know. So I feel like it's a healthy. Like I agree with her to a certain level. Like yeah, it's healthy to like apart.
preteen. No, see it happens. Like from preteen, they're learning what you're teaching them.
Yeah.
So it's healthy till then. But in the teens, when they come, especially boys, they need to listen to mother and father both, because father is also have gone through the same
Yeah.
teen, so he will have more experience than the mother. Okay, and then of course when you cross the teens, I mean, of
You
course,
need to make your own decisions.
decisions,
Please.
I mean, please,
like
kids, really, not the kids. I mean the sons, please.
Please, and even like not okay, like even in teenagers, you have to like start. You
So
can start.
yeah,
like, at
that's
least.
what I'm saying.
Like start. Like don't हर like चीज पे मम्मा bathroom चला जाओ, मम्मा खाना खा लूं. No, just do it. Come on.
So see, it has a really bad effects in their own life. Okay, I
Yeah.
mean, of course, it affects the other people as well,
Of
but
course.
let's talk about their own life first. Of course, because they cannot make a decision. Okay, so if mom passes away,
Mm.
or if they are separated from mom, I mean, it affects them tremendously. They go
Yeah,
into depression.
depression.
They have anxiety. My son also, I mean, alhamdulillah, not now, but like when I used to go away, like even if I leave house, even if when I'm with my husband,
Bhai's gonna be so offended. He's
he-
gonna be so
like
offended.
I knew, like I actually have a bet with my husband that the moment we leave the house together, or even if I leave alone to go somewhere, within 15 to 20 minutes, he will call.
And there's like now an updated
and
version.
yeah, like and
Now
he
he knows that there's like something going on, so he makes me call. He's like, you call and ask. Now you're old, so you call and ask.
yeah, but and then he makes such a random excuses
Yeah.
to check, like, oh mama, oh you reached, oh you haven't reached, okay, once you reach safely let us know, or like everything okay mama, or what are you guys are talking about, I just keeping you updated at what things are at home, but I know that
She
he is
knows.
calling to check up on us,
Us.
and when he doesn't, he had like stomach ache.
Yeah.
So it affects. So then, alhamdulillah,
Yeah.
I started doing things separately.
Yeah, you
So
need
it
to like
affects your
distance.
your personal life
Your
also.
personal
It's not healthy because you're going to go in the
Yeah,
relationship.
what are the effects of like other people? Like other
what I'm
people also
saying.
get affected with like this.
Once you get married, okay, you have to be like your own man. So you have
Yeah.
to make decision with your wife. If you rely so much on your mother, you cannot make a decision.
I feel bad for the wives of Desi men who
Yeah.
are mama's boys
Boy,
because
really badly, yeah.
like why? Just like
Okay, that is like after marriage. But let's talk about the people before marriage. Okay, that poor father who is like also a father has no say
Say.
in it because mother is making all the decision and the son is only listening to the mother.
yeah, that's
So
also
that's the
very
father.
bad.
And if you have a sibling, okay, so
Mm.
if you have a daughter, then of course she will feel neglected. And then the father, because he doesn't compensate the son, so he'll compensate with the daughter.
Daughter.
So the daughter will end up being a daddy's little girl.
Yeah.
That syndrome, the daddy's a little girl.
Yeah, but like it's look, I'm gonna be honest, you have to keep everything in balance. Like you have to be good to your son, you have to be good to your daughter. But the father also has to put like, he's also my son, They both
Yeah,
need to be equal.
Yeah, the father has to man up.
Yeah, basically the father needs to man out.
No, but the thing is, most of the father doesn't man up because they themselves may be a mama's
They,
boy.
that's a
Yeah.
completely different story.
Yeah, so they might be. And if they have another son, then what happened? Then what happened? I'll tell you what happened. I
Then
have
the
seen
son-
it. No, I
Yeah,
have seen it. So they usually if they have like, for example, if you three boys, okay. So either the eldest or the youngest will be the mama's boy.
Yeah, it's usually the eldest because
Okay.
of the first son thing, but
Then the middle child will always going to be daddy's son.
okay.
Okay. And the one whoever's left, like the elder one is left or the younger one is spoiled by the grandmothers.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it's always the case.
So this is what happens.
Yeah.
So basically you have to,
Wait, I have a question.
yeah.
Do we know anyone who's a mama's boy?
Should we name names?
Let's name names, I feel like putting the merchant masala.
No, but I can name one person. Okay, don't hate me for it. Just because like she herself said it. But should I say it?
Say
No,
it, say it.
I'm little skeptical.
Yeah, say it. They won't mind it. They won't mind it.
Sure.
Yeah, they won't mind it. They would
I
never mind.
really hope not.
No.
I'm going to call you after this. That is what I'm going to tell you beforehand. Okay, so I'm saying this name because
They're very close to
yeah,
us.
my
So, like-
friend, okay, she herself said it that her son is that. So I'm going to say Vase. I'm so sorry.
Poor guy.
I
She's
love
a-
you.
Yeah, he's like her favorite.
You're my favorite, but yeah, a little bit. And the Farwa also complains that
Yeah.
he's becoming he's mama's boy.
He is.
Yeah.
Like, it's not about the thing that, he's a mama's boy. It's just that, even if, like, he doesn't want to show that he's a mama's boy,
Yeah,
he
doesn't
ends
want to
up
show.
becoming a mama's
Okay,
mama's
okay,
boy.
let's just be honest here, okay? All my family, friends,
All their sons are mama's
all their
boys.
sons are mama's boy. Okay,
All of
I just
them.
thought of 2 more.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest,
3 more actually. I thought just 1 more.
I can name one name as well because I know she won't mind it either. Abdullah, bro, I know.
Yeah, he's a mama's boy.
Yeah,
And the
Abdullah.
younger one is the father's son.
Yeah,
Marwan.
Marwan.
Yeah.
So, like,
even okay, I'm
Banu
naming
is
names now.
also-
I'm naming names now. Okay, even Hunain.
yeah,
Hunain
even
is-
then.
Like my son left. For,
Even Bhai, okay, let's be honest.
yeah,
even
my
Bhai.
son is also mama's boy. Okay, so my son left for further studies recently, and my friend, her name is Komal. She will be a guest.
She will
soon.
be. She's our upcoming guest.
Okay, so she came and she was so emotional, thinking that her son will go away for further studies. I was, of course, I was emotional, but like pretty much all the
You were crying on the airport, okay? You were crying on the airport.
but yeah, pretty much everyone,
Everyone.
even Hamza.
Hamza.
Hamza is mama's boy. Hadi is a mama's boy.
Hadi's also mama's boy. We're just naming names now.
Yeah,
Agar
now
pura
we-
lagta hai na, I'm sorry.
but we're naming it.
We're naming the names.
Have we forgotten anyone? Let's think. Faris.
He.
Hadia Bhabi, I love you, and she is one of my favorite persons I know. But yeah,
Faris bhai will come after you so much after this.
Kumail,
Kumail, yeah, of course.
Kaisar Ali,
No, Kesari is not a mama's boy.
he is mama's boy.
Kesari bhai is not a mama's boy.
He is a mama's boy.
Really?
He is mama's boy. Kaisar
Okay, well,
Ali.
that we have to confirm with bhai because they're best friends. So.
No, yeah, Kumail, Kaisar
All of
Ali,
them.
Saqib, they're all my son's friends.
Yeah.
Pretty much everyone is a mama's boy. This is so surprising.
I love it. Majority of the Desi men are mama's boys. You're like, should I name this name?
Okay, I'm thinking about my brother who's I think my elder brother, and not my elder. Salman is mama's boy. Salman was mama's boy. My
Badi
brother.
mommy is gonna clip this and then send it on our family
Yeah,
group.
his wife will be so happy.
Yeah, she's gonna clip it and send it on the family group.
Yeah, he was mama's boy until my mother was alive, and when mother was very sick, that only thing was on her mind, Salman. I was like,
You were so jealous.
I was not jealous. I was like, come on, give me a break. You have other 2 sons.
And your daughter.
Yeah, daughter is fine. I was married, so yeah. My husband is a mama's boy.
Yeah, Baba's the
Why are we
mama's boy.
forgetting my husband?
We forgot the main character. Even I'm not gonna lie.
But
uncles of this-
he's my husband is not basically a mama's boy. Okay, my mother-in-law, she's my sas. She's very strict. She was very strict. He's actually grandmother's boy. He was spoiled by his dadi.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, so he was that.
Not gonna lie, even the uncles of our family group, they're also mama's boys, okay?
No, not
Some of
really.
them are. Some of them are. Yeah. We'll just leave it at this because it's getting more controversial by the
Yeah.
minute.
So yeah, just leave it on.
So
Okay.
yeah, agar bura lage, we are sorry. But I mean, what?
No, but like it's
It's the
just
truth.
a topic. Yeah, and it's not the truth. It's just the topic, and it's just the reality. Like, okay, what is the reason that mamas? Of course, mama is in a hand in making a boy as a mama's boy. Okay, so
But
what
what
are
is
the
the reason?
reasons that why mothers do
Okay,
that?
one
The
reason
first-
is
yeah.
like maybe that son gets sick very frequently.
Yeah, like
Or-
constantly ill, or like he had a really bad health when he was born,
Yeah.
or something health scare. You know that thing.
Yeah, or he's the first born.
Firstborn. The main reason I'll tell you, okay, unfortunately in our society, when a woman have a son, she gets more respect. That's the truth.
Okay, whatever.
Than the when they have a daughters. Okay, that's like she is more socially acceptable or more respectable when they have a
Maybe.
son. You know?
Yeah, maybe.
Because I know like my khala, okay, she had like 4 or 5 daughters, and the moment she had son, her respect like from here to here.
Maybe.
So most like that's the main reason in our Desi culture that
our
why.
Desi culture needs to change, bro. Like, what is
But
this?
this is not only in Desi culture, okay?
It's
If you go to in
everywhere.
Africa, same thing. When you go to in China, Korea, you know that like in an olden time, like women is not considered mother unless she gives birth to a son. No matter how many
The
daughters
only
she has.
the only acceptable culture is the Arab culture, bro. They get
No,
so happy
even
when
no,
a girl
no,
is
no,
born.
no. Even in Arab culture,
No, they get so happy.
they
when
get happy when they have a daughter. But in Arab culture also, because you know it is like it's that mindset that our like lineages go through like
Yeah,
goes
yeah.
forward by through a guy through a son. So that thing is there. So that's the main. This is the main reason. Then of course the illnesses is there,
Yeah.
and then.
Yeah,
What else?
I think
The firstborn syndrome.
Firstborn.
Mine was firstborn.
yeah, I think it has to be this. Even Ryan, like Ryan is just a different breed. That's why he's not a
He's
mama's
not
boy.
a mama's boy.
But you
He
spoil
is a
him like
sibling- No, he's not a mama's boy. He is a sibling's boy, okay?
I don't spoil him.
You spoil him. You spoil him in a different kind of way. My son spoils him in a different kind of way. Okay, my husband spoils him in a different
He's
kind.
our baby. Okay, he's our
So,
youngest.
yeah.
Please.
Okay. So what are the signs when you meet a person and when you talk to a like stranger or a man, or if I'm asking you as a girl
Well-
who's going stepping into a practical life,
Yeah.
okay? So you're gonna go pretty soon, and then you're going to meet guys, and maybe in the future when you get married you meet a guy. So what are the signs to look out for a mama's boy? Okay.
Okay. First of all, when for every small thing he'll be like, I need to ask my mom first. That's like the biggest sign I feel. Like.
Yeah, of course. I mean, like,
Like, dude,
what
make
kind
your
of
own, make your
what
own
kind
decision.
of clothes should I wear?
Make
I
your
mean,
own
that's not
decision.
the thing that your mother should be telling you.
I'm crashing out over this topic, bro. Make your own decisions for God's
Okay,
sake.
for me, okay, like my husband discussed this when he's talking on a phone with his mother and we're going out. So he'll just casually ask, "Ye kya pehenna chahiye?" It's okay, like casually once in a while is fine.
Yeah, once in a while it's
But-
fine, but like every single time, bro,
Yeah,
just make
but
your.
for me, the biggest mama's boy thing is like he tells his mother, the grown up tells his mother everything, especially if he's married.
Not even a married bro. My brother, he's like 19, I think. He doesn't tell mom everything.
Yeah, I mean,
I
you
don't
should
tell my
know.
mom everything.
No, no.
It's like you
Like
have.
most
There has to be a
important,
boundary.
like you have to tell your mother or father who are
Majority.
you close to most of the thing in your life. Okay?
Yeah, but there has to be
Especially-
a boundary.
Yeah,
There has to be a boundary.
Like
I tell mama everything, but again, there is a boundary where I don't tell her some things. You know.
okay. For me, again, especially if you're married, like he's a mama's boy because the mother enters your room or your house without knocking, or she has a key
Oh,
to your house.
This is my anxiety, bro.
Yeah,
No.
yeah. I mean, I've been married for 20 years. Okay, there's not even once my mother-in-law doesn't knock and goes into our room, even if the door is open. She knocks. She stand aside and she knocks before entering.
That's I think basic manners. Like
yeah.
everyone does
This
that.
is just comes into basic manners.
Okay.
Okay, and then again, just constant calls. Okay, this is the one sign that I will say my husband is. Because he calls his mother frequently. But there's
that's
a
fine.
reason, yeah, because she's alone there.
Yeah.
And he just
I
needs to
feel
check
like
up on
constant
her.
calls. It depends on the person. Because
Yeah, if
even
you're
I
like,
call
no,
her
no,
all
if you're living abroad or living far, it's okay.
Yeah, if you're living abroad, then that's
but if
fine.
you're living like if
in
you're
the
meeting
same country, then that's
no,
fine.
no, not same area. Like you're meeting your mom also, and then you're calling your mom also.
Yeah, that's
every
a
2
no, that's
minutes.
a no.
It's fine. Okay, and then I'm okay with it and because your father doesn't do it very often, but I've seen a lot of people do it. Comparing your wife cooking to your mom's.
The only thing Baba ever compares is
His khichdi.
his khichdi, because it's
Yeah.
like it's a family recipe. So
Yeah.
that's understandable when he compares it.
Yeah,
But he doesn't do it at all after other than that.
yeah, he doesn't do it anything else. And
But-
in
but
fact, he tells me that like I cook nicely
Yeah.
and all
I
that.
mean.
Okay, but I have seen people like comparing. See, you cannot compare your mom cooking with anyone.
Anyone.
Even you cannot compare your mom cooking with your grandmother.
You cannot compare your mom's cooking with yourself. Like
yeah, exactly. Because जो माँ का हाथ का
yes,
taste होता
सबका
है
हाथ different है.
you can never get it
Yeah.
to by anyone. So never compare. Okay. And again, mom's permission for everything.
We can
मैं बात like for small thing मैं bathroom जाऊँ मैं चप्पल
मैं चप्पल पहन लूँ मैं ये
मैं
कर
खाना
लूँ.
खा लूँ.
I swear I used to do that. I used to be
Yeah,
so
my son
irritated.
used to do it.
Like make your own, like you have common sense. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you a brain for a reason.
Anyway,
Do use your brain.
so these are the signs, and
I'm sorry for the people we named. I feel bad now.
no, they're still very young.
I
okay?
mean, they're not.
And they're younger than my son.
No, I'm
So
gonna be honest.
They will change.
I'm gonna,
I'm
I'm gonna
thinking.
be honest. They're actually not the worst mama's boy. I've
Yeah,
ever
they are
seen.
not. They are not.
They're actually very nice on a mama's boy level.
Yeah.
Like I think they're also level 1 maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe
maybe
two,
two maximum,
but, like,
yeah,
not more than
not
that.
more than that. Because all the mothers I know, even though the sons are mama's boy, the mothers are not cuddling their
Yeah.
sons.
Too much.
Yeah, they're not.
Especially Shumaila auntie, bro.
No, even Farwa doesn't. Even Komal doesn't.
Yeah. No,
Even,
no one does. No
yeah,
one does. I don't
even
think
Kaval
anyone does.
doesn't. So yeah, they don't.
Yeah.
And Nazis also doesn't. Yeah.
Bro, I get scared by Shumaila auntie when she gives the ghuri to Abdullah from across the room, bro.
Even Farwa, I've like seen Farwa angry with Wase. My God, I was feeling so much sorry. I think this is the moment, like
That
I
differentiates.
no, this is the moment that I actually Wase became my favorite. That's the thing. I'm sorry to all the other boys. I really like you, and you're.
Let's
one
be
of
honest,
me.
we all knew Wase was his favorite.
I'm biased toward Wase. I think that was the moment that I became
Why?
biased toward Wase. Yeah, that is behind the scene talk. Let's
Oh,
Yeah, but like
I will remember this. I'm gonna mark it
yeah,
right now.
but then, because I've seen Farwa very angry. I was like, oh my God.
I've seen Farwan auntie angry.
Oh, you forgot the most important Mama's boy,
Who?
Sajjad.
Nobody is so cute. He's so cute. No.
Everybody used to call him Mama's boy because he used to call Mommy. Yeah.
No, but it's okay. It's okay because he's cute. It's okay.
It's okay. But like Fizza was also very strict with
Yeah,
him, so
Fizanti
yeah.
is strict.
And Nizia Bhai was much stricter, but yeah.
Yeah, but no, he's too cute. It's okay. He gets a pass.
Yeah. Anyway, so we have come to
Our
our
second segment,
which is game.
which is the game. So basically,
Okay.
this is just for doing question. Name
It's a-
three.
it's a-
It's a game called Name 3.
No, it's basically a podcast version of 5 second rule.
Yeah, we're not doing the 5 seconds.
Yeah, there's no timer here. So
Yeah. Okay.
we'll ask. Okay.
So, you.
I'll ask. first.
Okay, you ask.
Okay, so name 3 signs where you see a guy, when you meet a guy or see a guy that you know it's a mama's boy.
Okay, first of all, it's the permissions, bro. That's like my biggest like pet peeve, like the permissions. Okay, when his mom is dressing him, bro, that is just a no.
Okay, mothers, no offense. Okay, stop dressing your kids like an uncle.
Yes, it's always and the color scheme. The third one is the color scheme. Why is a 13-year-old guy wearing brown, white with the side parting of the hair?
For me, it's a hair thing. You know that mama's the chapta hair.
Chapta wala.
Or that middle one doing
Middle-
like this.
Okay, my turn. Name 3 reasons, like a mama's boy would reject you for
reject, not
for-
me. Okay,
I mean-
reject girl.
reject a girl
As a proposal.
as a proposal.
Okay, reject girl. Okay, my mother doesn't like you, or maybe she doesn't like your honesty.
Okay.
Okay. Or maybe he will reject a girl because he likes the girl. So mother doesn't want to lose control over a man.
Control.
So that is the main one of the
Yeah,
reason. The second maybe the reason, maybe my mother didn't like you.
Yeah, it has to be that only. No?
Yeah, that's the main reason.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, name 3 reasons my mama's boy says to defend his mother.
Okay. First of all, she's
Okay, so
old.
if
She's
no,
old.
so if like a mama's boy is married
Yeah.
and the wife is angry at him, so what? Angry at him because he's a mama's boy. So what he will say to defend his mother?
अरे तुम्हें तो पता है मम्मा हमेशा बीमार पड़ती है.
So like she's sick.
She's sick or
Okay.
she's widowed.
Yeah, she's a widow.
She's a widow, or she's like क्या बोलते हैं इसको? I forgot the word.
हाँ.
You get-
मेरी माँ बहुत सीधी है.
She मेरी माँ बहुत सीधी है. Yeah, that's what I
Okay.
meant.
But for me, the biggest thing is मेरी माँ ने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है.
Yeah.
So if she's saying something, तो बर्दाश्त करो.
बर्दाश्त कर दो.
My husband never said that to me, by the way. But yeah, that's like I've seen it from dramas and all the other experiences. Okay.
Name 3 movies or dramas where the main lead was a mama's boy.
Okay, so I'll start with English. I think it's a Forrest Gump.
I haven't seen it. I know the quote, don't worry,
Then
but I
my
haven't seen it.
mama says that, yeah.
Yeah,
that one.
my mama said the life was a box full of chocolate.
Okay, and then in Indian movie, the top of my head is Dil Dhadakne Do, that Kabir guy. She
Then-
wants to sell her shares to buy him a plane.
Okay, look, I'm gonna be honest. That movie is too good.
Yeah.
But like, the main or the plot was that he was a mama's
Mama's
boy.
boy.
So like,
And the biggest one, I think, my Indian and Pakistani ladies who watches this drama, they will agree with me that Murad from Mannat Murad,
I have no idea what that is. So
that slap that Mannat gave him was very satisfying, by the way.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
And the second one, I'm going to name one more, is Sons in Noor Jahan drama.
Okay, I haven't seen it, but I've heard of them.
They were just,
They were too bad.
oh my god, like every drama, every scene, every episode was just like, playing.
Infuriating.
Yeah, infuriating. It was just making me so angry all the time.
Okay.
So yeah, these 4 of them. Okay, then name 3 situation where Mama's boy says that, let me ask my mom.
Okay. If he could go out with his friends or something, like
Friends,
afterward,
yeah, okay,
clothes, maybe deciding what to
Yeah.
wear. Let me ask my mama.
yeah.
And to go to bathroom. Mama, bathroom chana
Yeah,
jao?
that's just bad, and I've seen people actually ask me that.
Bhai was like that, and I'm so glad he's not like that anymore.
Alhamdulillah. I'm sorry, Izan, but you were growing up. Okay.
Mama, bathroom chana jao main?
I mean, he still asked me, but not for bathroom. He asked me for shower.
It's shower because he takes 3 hours.
Yeah, he takes too long, and I get angry. So that's the.
Now we can't get angry. So like,
I know. I'm so sad. My son is gone.
you better be this time when I go.
Of course I will.
That's what I'm saying to everyone. I was like, you guys better cry when I leave.
Okay. The last one.
That's what.
Let's do this together.
Okay.
Name 3 fancy way to call a desi mama's boy without making it sound like an insult.
Ooh, okay. First thing has to go like family oriented, like.
No, not family oriented. Like whenever he's asking something or like because it's very socially acceptable, so mostly the people will say कि कितना फर्मा पड़ता है. How obedient he is.
Obedient, very
He's
obedient.
not. He's just too much independent.
Too
Too much dependent
too
on
much
him.
dependent. Yeah, not independent.
Okay. And
Why is it always me? Why?
then give me one. Oh, you have said it already.
Family oriented.
Yeah, family oriented. Like if he's not listening to his wife, okay, but he's listening to his family.
माँ का कहना कितना सुनता है वो?
No, it's the same thing like obedient. But then people will compare it when he's not listening to wife, but to his mother and family. He's
Yeah.
like very family oriented.
Oriented.
Then the third one.
Third one. This is actually difficult.
Yeah, this is difficult.
Okay, third वाला कैसे हो सकता है? Actually, you know what? Let them comment down below what the third one can be.
And no, I thought of the third one. You can tell more.
Yeah, tell us more.
Okay, the third one I think will be whenever he's like, justifying his moms or justifying his action. So like people ये बोलते हैं वो माँ का कितना ख्याल है. So like when he's constantly calling her and constantly comparing.
No, stop,
to,
bro. Stop. This is
माँ का
like
कितना
my.
ख्याल है उसको, This is real life, okay? This is very social. This
I
topic
know.
is very, even though it's not a very
thing.
healthy relationship, but it is very socially acceptable.
It should not be.
And it should not be.
We have to.
And nowadays, a lot of girls who is marrying, they have a lot of problem in their marriages because
Of
the
this.
sons are mama's boy.
That's
They have a hard time making decisions about their own life.
yeah. That's what I think. I feel like you have to. You
Yeah.
have to like change yourselves if you want
Okay.
to have
So
a
the
good
third
life.
segment now. Our question.
our questions.
Okay.
Have you ever encountered a mama's boy
Yeah.
for your marriage proposal before you married Baba?
Yeah, of course I have.
Story time.
No, not story time, but like out of 5-6 proposal, I think 3 of them were
Oh.
mama's boy. It was
Did they give any of the reasons I gave?
no, and I wasn't interested as well.
Oh my god, I wasn't interested.
Yeah, please. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, this is okay. What I gave you the signs, right? These
Yeah.
are the. So, what is the one sign you're okay with if your husband has this quality in mama's boy?
Like he keeps checking up on his mom. Like I feel like the calling thing.
Yeah,
I feel like that's.
I'm also okay with this. My husband does that, so I'm
Because,
actually very
you know,
glad about it. Yeah.
In the end of the day, yes, your mom has done a lot for you. So you, like, the least you can do is call her up.
Yeah, see, there's a difference between being a mama's boy
And
and
just
being
a good son.
a good son. Exactly.
So I think the calling thing is okay. Well, I'm okay with.
Yeah. So we have come to the end of the episode.
Yeah.
Hope you like it. And the people who we name, please don't feel bad.
Don't feel bad. We
Okay.
did not.
We-
You know,
It's not a malicious intent.
Yeah.
Okay?
it's out of love.
It's out of love, and you know, I'm biased toward few people in my life.
Few people.
Beside my kids, of course.
Few people being Wase and Abdullah.
One of them is Wase and Abdullah, of course.
Few people.
Can you name another one? Okay, name 2 girls now.
2 girls. Wano.
No,
No.
I'm sorry, Vanya.
Zara.
Yeah.
Zara.
And
And Harim.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Vanya, you also there? Of course.
I'm not editing this out. I'm not editing this
You're
out.
Vasa's sister, so by 4 you're there. But
She's
yeah,
gonna hate you after this.
I know. But I love you too. I love you, really.
Yeah.
But still, Vase, I'm biased toward Vase.
Yeah. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed.
Aisha should not feel bad, okay? I did not name Hamza. I did not name Marwan. I did not name Hunan.
She will feel bad. It's
I know.
the way you were like, no. I'm not editing this out.
Anyway, you know I love you.
Anyways,
I send macaroni to you.
anyways, I hope you
Anyway.
guys enjoyed.
Yeah.
If you did, subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and we'll be right back.
And do comments, guys, please.
Yeah, comment. Where's the comment?
Yeah, and do
Presa
like
auntie,
it.
come on! I'm waiting for your comments every video.
And Ikram.
Yeah, and Mamu.
And also, and Fauzi also.
Yeah.
And please subscribe. I know a lot of people are watching, but they're not subscribing.
They're not subscribing. Subscribe from all your accounts, every family member's account.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Please subscribe us, and yeah, we'll see you in the next
Next
hot topic. I hope you're enjoying season 2.
Yeah. And
Okay.
bye. Bye.